Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and these are my views in fewer than two. Tech work. Do we really need to go back to the office to get work done? No, that's a stupid idea. I mean, it's not stupid to go to an office, but to get work done? Not necessarily. Like, why do we have to go back to an office? We've been productive at home. Many of us, maybe not all of us. Again, I gotta say that I think mandating that everybody has to do it is a stupid idea. Why? Well, some of us don't want to waste part of our life in traffic, the commute. We don't want to be in the car more than we need to be in the car. Not all of us, but let me just say, some of us really feel strongly about not wanting to waste our life in an automobile getting from point A to point B, especially when we've been more productive when we were staying in the point A vicinity. The second reason I think it's a dumb, stupid idea that everybody has to go back to the office is we can get online anywhere. We can get our work done anywhere. And if it's tech work, we're using a laptop, we're accessing the internet. What's the difference where we do it at home or we do it in this cubicle farm in a place that's not home, that's maybe not welcoming, that probably has garbage coffee? We have to do it because we're told to do it, right? Or some random study funded by who knows, like, is telling us that we're more productive there when we know full well that we don't feel great in that environment or as great in that environment. You think that makes us more productive? This is a stupid idea that it works for everybody. Stupid! Because it just doesn't work for everybody, especially when you can get online anywhere. The third reason, this is a big one, we're just going to be stuck in meetings anyway. This whole video could have been an email.